Okay, the next tool we're going to use is going to be a 4.5-inch grinder with a sanding pad on it, and this wheel that I'm using, this grit sandpaper, is about 25 to 30 grit. It's very, very coarse. I mean, you could shape with this thing, right? What I'm going to do is get the carving once over and smooth everything together, get some of the rough cuts out. Can even put some lines in with this if I want, right? So I'm pretty much just going to have at it and let you guys kind of watch. I'm going to smooth the nose down, smooth the cheeks down, get a lot of that rough stuff out of there, okay? And go over the whole carving. Now, it is a dusty job, but you can see how that works, right? Really tends to smooth that carving over well, right? Everything's blended together, and you'll see it a lot better when we start putting detail on it, okay? But again, that's a 4.5-inch grinder with a sanding pad on it. You can get them pretty cheap at a lot of places. And look around, and I'll explain some of the tools that we use as we go today, making this big face. So, let me get another tool or two set up, and we'll go to the next video. Start drawing some detail on him. Might have to cut out a little bit more with the chainsaw to really set him in, but I think he's going to look okay. Okay, I'll see you in the next vid.